Hi friends, today I am going to explain you 7th class state board 5th lesson Asman Gira, the sky fallen down. Okay, let us see in the picture what is there. Here is one rabbit. A rabbit is saying something to a lion. Here is a big well and that this lion is peeping into the water. We can see the reflection of the lion in the water. So let us start the lesson. Friends, in this lesson, the rabbit which is sleeping under the tree, it heard some noise and get scared and thought something else, and in the scare of falling something, it ran, and along with it made other animals to run. Just it did not think a lot what is actually happened. It got scared and it started running away from that place. So finally what happened? Who solved the rabbit's problem? And let us going to know. एक खरगोश था, वह पेड़ के नीचे सो रहा था। अचानक जोर की आवाज़ हुई, धम। खरगोश उठ बैठा। वह बोला, अरे क्या गिरा? खरगोश ने इधर उधर देखा। उसे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दिया। उसे लगा कि आसमान गिर रहा है। खरगोश डर गया और भागने लगा। A rabbit is sleeping under a tree. All of a sudden, it heard a noise of thump. Means something fallen on the ground. It makes thump sound, right? So it heard. Then it woke up with a loud noise, and it sat and it said, "Arey, what fallen?" Then Khargosh saw here and there. When it saw here and there, it did not find anything nearby, something which can make some sound. So it felt sky fallen. So the rabbit started running with the fear of the falling of sky. भागते भागते उसे एक लोमड़ी मिली। उसने पूछा, खरगोश भाई, कहाँ जा रहे हो? जरा सुनो तो। While they were running away, while running, the rabbit, it met on the way one fox. The fox asked rabbit, rabbit, where are you running away? Then खरगोश भागते भागते बोला, आसमान गिर रहा है, भागो भागो, जल्दी भागो. While running, the rabbit told to fox, आसमान is falling, run away, make it fast, run fast. लोमड़ी भी भागने लगी। आगे जाकर उन्हें एक भालू मिला। भालू बोला, ठहरो ठहरो, कहाँ भागे जा रहे हो? On the way, when they were running, on the way there is one teddy bear. Okay, bear. You know very well teddy bear. So it is teddy. They met teddy. The bear asked them, wait, where are you running away? Where are you going? खरगोश और लोमड़ी बोले, भागो, तुम भी भागो, आसमान गिर रहा है. The rabbit and fox also told to bear, run away. You also run away. The sky is falling. बालू भी उनके साथ भागने लगा। खरगोश, लोमड़ी और भालू भागते भागते एक हाथी के पास से निकले। हाथी, अरे सब क्यों भागे जा रहे हो? ठहरो, कुछ बताओ। While they were running, on the way there is a elephant. When they were passing through that place, the elephant saw them and it asked, "Arey, you people are running away. Why? What happened? Just wait and tell me. Let me know the reason why you people are running away." The elephant asked them like this. बालू बोला, आसमान गिर रहा है, तुम भी भागो। हाथी भी भागने लगा। सब भाग रहे थे। आगे आगे खरगोश, उसके पीछे पीछे लोमड़ी, उसके पीछे भालू और सबके पीछे हाथी। Then when elephant asked them that time, the bear replied to the elephant, the sky is falling. You also run away. We are running away to save ourselves. And the bear told like that. Then elephant also started running along with them. So in front, rabbit is there. Behind the rabbit, fox. After the fox, bear. After the bear, the elephant is running. भागते भागते उन्हें शेर मिला। उसने पूछा, तुम सब क्यों भागे जा रहे हो? While all these four animals running, on the way they saw the lion. The lion asked them, why you people are running away? That time elephant replied like this. हाथी बोला, आसमान गिर रहा है, तुम भी भागो. Elephant told, the sky is falling, you also run away. Next page. शेर ने दहाड़ कर कहा, आसमान गिर रहा है, कहाँ गिर रहा है? रुको। यह सुनकर सभी जानवर रुक गए। शेर ने पूछा, किसने कहा आसमान गिर रहा है? When the elephant replied to the lion that the sky is falling. Sher, the lion, roared loudly with anger, and it asked, where the sky is falling? Where you people are running away? Wait, stop first of all. Listen to me. The lion said. All animals stopped. Then lion asked them, who told you the sky is falling? हाथी बोला, बालू ने कहा. बालू बोला, मुझसे तो लोमड़ी ने कहा. लोमड़ी बोली, मुझसे तो खरगोश ने कहा था. सबसे पहले इसी ने कहा था. When lion asked them, who told you this? That time elephant told, bear told me. Then bear told, fox told me. Fox told, first the rabbit only told me. Then when lion asked rabbit, what did rabbit told to the lion? Let us see. खरगोश चुप रहा. शेर बोला, खरगोश, कहाँ गिर रहा है आसमान? खरगोश ने कहा, मैं तो पेड़ के नीचे से सो रहा था, वही दम से आसमान गिरा. शेर ने कहा, चलो चलकर देखें. When lion asked the rabbit first of all kept quiet. Then again lion asked. That time again lion asked rabbit where the sky is falling. That time rabbit replied to the lion and saying that when I was sleeping under the tree, I heard the noise of falling something. Then the lion said, let us go and see where you were sleeping and what fell and what is that. वे सब उस पेड़ के नीचे गए। सब ने पेड़ के नीचे देखा, वहाँ एक बड़ा सा फल गिरा पड़ा था। तभी वैसा ही एक और फल गिरा। धम! खरगोश चौंक गया। शेर बोला, तो यही तुम्हारा आसमान था? लो, फिर आसमान गिरा। भागे। और सभी हंसने लगे। When all the animals and lion went to the tree, where the tree is there, that time they were standing under the tree. Then one one big fruit fallen from the tree in front of the animals. They saw that, and its sound also they heard. And that time the rabbit got scared and surprised too. When the lion saw everything what is happened, then the lion explained the animals and said, "What is let let us see, let us run away. This is the skyfall from the uh, skyfall. The in rabbit's view. Let us run away from here." Like that, the lion replied to everyone. Everyone, by knowing everything, they laughed. Thank you for watching, friends. Bye.